Hi everyone, my name is Jetone Ozil. I come from Haiti. I am so late in this class and I am so sorry for that. I'm so happy to join you and I hope that I can have fun with you. Um, my major is computer information technology. I am working toward my certificate and in computer information by the end of December. And I hope that also next year by the end of December or winter 2020 I can have my associate degree and yes, as I told you, I come from Haiti. I am living now in Haiti. I'm a church employee. I'm working for the church as coordinator of seminaries and institute. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be with you. And I would like to learn in this class to know how to create or build very nice and attractive website. So I hope I can make it, even if I know it's the basis, but I hope I can make it. So thank you and let us have fun.